the 2016 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, a power seat, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, and seat memory. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.